Hello, this is to report a bug on MechJeb 2.1. I am having problems with the maneuver planner. I had this problem trying to put a satellite into geosync orbit, and for some reason, after it makes the node and does the execute, it does not throttle down. It keeps the throttle up, and I go past my my apoapsis, and it's driving me insane because I can't get what I want. So I'm going to put the satellite up into orbit, and I will show you what happens when I try and do the maneuver. Okay, I'm almost into an orbit. This is the problem that I'm getting. So after I cut a stage and I hit X, it does this weird thing, and it keeps pushing my rocket upwards. So I'll hit X again, and it'll stop it, and I can use Shift and Control perfectly fine. So I'm gonna go and put this into a real orbit once I get my radio dish out, which is under here. Activate that, and we'll set it to mission control. Oh, I forgot to mention the mods that I have on. So I have MechJeb 2.1. I also have, Remote Tech 2, as well as HOME. So I have 3 mods installed. I haven't used any of the home parts. I am using 2 of the satellite dishes from Remote Tech 2. So there's that. Yeah, to maneuver. We'll get this into somewhat of an orbit, so I have time to explain stuff. And I will see you then. Alright, I'm back. I've done my maneuver, and as you can see, it's doing the thing again after I've hit X. And again, I detached the previous stage. So I hit X again, and it disables that freaky whatever it was. Throttle oscillation. So I'm going to fast forward a bit, so that we can get into position. And we're just going to do something super simple, and we're going to circularize the orbit at the periapsis. Alright, so I just went ahead and edited out that boring stuff because I was having problems with the communication for the satellite. So right now I'm going to try and circularize my orbit so that it is circular. So I'm going to create and execute immediately. It's going to go and move around. And hopefully, and it does this weird jiggle oscillation on the throttle. It's just actually firing. I have absolutely no idea why it's doing this. This is the problem. One of the problems that I'm having is this throttle oscillation. And once I do make the maneuver, it doesn't stop. It doesn't throttle back down. It just keeps doing this weird throttle oscillation, as you will soon see once I reach the end of my burn. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it keeps going. And it keeps burning and burning and burning until I hit X. So that is the problem I'm having. And not only does it do it with circularize, but it also does it with match velocities and all this other stuff. Not all the stuff that I've messed around with, but I've messed around with the circularize, change periapsis, and apoapsis. So that is the problem. I don't know how to fix this. Thank you.